Hi, I'm Danielle Graham and I'm a project manager with Watchdog. Today we're going to talk about stay-in-place renovations. A stay-in-place renovation is a project where a client does not move to a new building. Instead, they stay in a building they already occupy, and we renovate the space. During one of these projects, employees must be moved into temporary space while renovations are going on in their existing space. This temporary space is called swing space. There are a few differences between a stay-in-place renovation and a typical build-out. First, the client must move into swing space to make room for the construction zone. Once construction is complete and furniture is installed in the first phase, the first group then moves back into the renovated space. Then, the next group moves into the swing space, and the process continues until the entire project is complete. There are several benefits to a stay-in-place renovation for the client. Number one, there is no large move to a new building. Number two, stay-in-place renovations may also sometimes result in cost savings for the client. This is because sometimes renovations are less intense than if you were doing a new build-out, so overall they'd be less costly. However, there are also a few drawbacks to stay-in-place renovations. Number one, there can be more disruption to employees. This is because there's often more moves. First, they have to move into swing space and then back into their existing space. There's also construction happening while people are occupying the space, so that can mean more noise, more debris, and more interruption. Overall, this can also mean a longer project schedule because we're talking about multiple phases instead of one large phase. Stay-in-place renovations are a great way for a client to stay in a building they like. These projects require the same level of project management, but the steps are different, and the schedule may be longer.